Hello students, welcome to the class on Engineering Mechanics. I am Gayatri Mavre, Assistant Professor at Engineering Sciences Department, AISSMS IOIT Pune. In this lecture, we will see what is couple moment and characteristics of couple moment. Rotational effect caused by two equal and opposite non-collinear forces is called couple moment. In this figure here, two forces are acting on rod AB. The two forces are parallel to each other. Two forces are having same magnitude F, and the two forces are non-collinear, equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. When these two forces simultaneously act on the rod AB, it causes the rod to rotate. Here the rotation is anti-clockwise. This rotational effect is called as couple moment. In this diagram, two forces with equal magnitude F, parallel to each other, opposite in direction, are acting at a distance, perpendicular distance d between them. When these two forces simultaneously act on the object, it causes rotational effect which is called as couple moment C. Here the sense of couple moment is clockwise. Now let us see characteristics of couple. Couple consists of two equal in magnitude, opposite in direction and non-collinear forces. Resultant force in a couple is 0 because the two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Hence, it does not produce any translational effect. A non-zero moment is associated with a couple which produces rotational effect. That means couple do not cause any translational effect, but it causes rotational effect on the object. Moment of couple is same about any point in the plane. Hence, couple is also called as a free vector. If two forces which are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction and are non-collinear acting on the object, then it causes couple moment C. This couple moment is written as product of force into lever arm, where lever arm is nothing but distance between two parallel forces. This distance here is called as lever arm, LA. Unit of couple is Newton meter or kilonewton meter. Being vector, couple also has sense or nature, clockwise or anti-clockwise. In the first diagram here, the rotational effect caused by two forces is clockwise. And in second figure, if the two forces are having same magnitude, say P, then these two forces will cause rotational effect in anti-clockwise sense. Let us try to solve few examples on couple. First question is, couple is a dash free vector, sliding vector, fixed vector or null vector. Now couple is a free vector. We can show couple acting at any point in a plane. So it is a free vector. Second question, the translatory effect of a couple on the rigid body is, options are positive, negative, 0 or none of the above. As couple consists of two forces which are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, therefore resultant force for a couple is 0 and therefore translatory effect caused by couple on the rigid body is 0. Third question, the effect of a couple acting on a rigid body can be nullified by applying equal and opposite dash. Options are like this: force, couple, free force and couple, and fourth option is none of the above. To nullify effect of couple acting on a rigid body, we should apply couple with equal magnitude but opposite sense on the rigid body. So option B is correct. In this lecture we have seen what is couple moment and characteristics of couple moment. Thank you.